Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Twitch website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you will need to click on the login button that you will see at the top right corner. Then you can simply use your credentials, and after logging into your account using your credentials, you will end up on the dashboard where you can start watching various different live streams. Now, if you wish to delete your Twitch account and you don't want to use it anymore, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now, from the settings menu, you have various different options that you can change for your account, such as your profile picture, your banner, and your username options. If you scroll all the way down from right this page, you will find the option to disable your account. Click on the disable account from this section, and now you will be taken into the account disable option. Your account name is already typed in, so you will simply need to type in why you want to disable your account. You can provide whatever reason you are deleting your account for if you wish, but you can also leave this as it is. Finally, click on the disable account button and you will be asked for a final time whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Just click on the confirmation button and you might be asked to enter your password. After providing your password to verify your identity, you will be logged out from your account, and then you will receive a notification email from Twitch telling you that your account has been set for deletion. Now, you should not log in for at least 3 weeks or until you receive another email from Twitch telling you that your account has been permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.